God creates the light so that the world becomes bright. Prometheus brings the thunder so that the world becomes thriving. Man creates a laser so that lights up the far distance of wisdom era. Bodor endows more imagination to the strongest power in the world. As an advanced domestic supplier specialized in laser application system integration, we supply leading laser cutting machines for plates, laser cutting machines for pipes, precise laser cutting machine, and we also provide resolutions to production chain by using laser cutting. Bodor redefines the application of laser. The white color means high persistence, full of much concentration. The most simplification means constant and excessive demand or perfection. The most simplification contains boundless unusual. This is Bodor Laser. We commit ourselves to the development and application of wisdom manufacture of laser industry. We have insights into science and technologies and keep persistent in focusing on the slides. Bodor lets laser industry become laser arts. In 2016, Bodor Laser was successfully launched on the market. With open mind and persistent dream, Bodor contributes to double growth of achievements for consecutive years. We composed miracles in laser industry. We focus on developing step by step with our eyes on the world. Business of Bodor has covered 140 countries and regions and got recognition of global customers. We have been integrated with European standards, and we gather the global craftsman mind to serve the world with European quality requirements. We endeavor to launch Bodor service everywhere, all the time. The core parts have double insurance and standby application for free with Wi-Fi remote control maintenance and repair. Your order will be responded in half an hour. We commit to provide 24-hour service. We always believe that the links and the communication are the bridge connecting with the future. Bodor Business College, full of talents, is the latest support among the forefront of the industry. Bodor Club builds destiny community in the industry and promotes cooperation and win-win situation. We, surrounded by thousands of cooperative partners, explore a new path to industry development together. Bodor motivates laser technology to be upgraded with more wisdom and leads national industry to step towards international arena. It will be like Orient lightning to light the world. We always abide by our original mind and temper ourselves with a craftsman heart. We go very far ahead in industry export. Bodor speaks for Chinese wisdom. Future is now. Everything must experience changes, while the only thing without changes is our original mind. From cars manufacture to industrial machinery, from precise instruments to environment protection facilities, from health and fitness facilities to home design, Bodor constantly renovates humans' understanding for laser. Bodor takes the concepts of simpleness, perfection, and fast to explore the bright and boundless field. Laser sciences have changed human life. Bodor laser makes China-made with wisdom popular in the world.